Kaya niya yan.
Ligo na lang nakha.
So, hey guys! Hindi na po kami firefighter today. ER na po kami. ER. Ito na po ang
Ano ka?
Medic.
Yan.
Or,
Emergency medical responder ang dapat tawag sa kanya.
wow!
Orthopedic scoop board. Orthopedic scoop board. Bakit? Kasi it can scoop things. We use this in order to minimize movement.
Hello!
Pwede na po ba? Wait. Hindi
Stop.
niyo
Okay. Wait. Before you lift, I will teach you the proper lifting.
Ayan.
This is incorrect. You will injure yourself. This is correct. You will use your legs, not your back. Yung hands natin, pag grip natin is maka-underhand grip tayo. Hindi tayo naka-overhand grip, underhand grip palagi. Okay, brace sarili, bibilang.
Oh my God!
Lift on my count. 1, 2, 3, lift.
Oh my God!
Pasyente ka ba?
Sakit! Ouch!
Okay, tapos move tayo and go.
Bye-bye!
Wait.
What position? Underhand grip. Tapos, ikaw magbibilang, sir. Lift on my count. 1, 2, 3. Lift, lift, lift. Okay, ready?
Lift on my count. 1, 2, 3.
Ang galing sa may salong. Oh, bye-bye! Bye-bye! Bye!
Guys, natuto na po kami paano gumamit ng scooper. Very nice. Favorite tool ko na rin.